Everybody is looking for the secret behind those loud belly rumbles. Is it hunger? Is it embarrassment? Let's find out the real reason. So, here's the scoop. Your stomach is basically a mixing bowl for your food. When you eat, you also swallow air. Yup, even if you're careful. As your stomach and intestines work to digest, they push food, air, and liquids around. All that movement creates those weird gurgling sounds called Borborygmi. And no, stomach growls don't just happen when you're hungry. They can rumble anytime your digestive system gets to work. It's just your body's way of keeping things moving. So next time your stomach starts talking, don't worry. It's just science making some noise. Now you know.